Hello everyone. uh, in this video I am going to show you for the normal order sync up. In the previous video we have already seen for the Odoo to Foodics integration is how to connect the Odoo to Foodics, what are the parameters required, secret key and client ID, like that. And also we have seen how to we can do a manually sync up for the initial sync up for the products, tags, and other things. So now in this video I am going to show you how the order are syncing, because for the order we have integrated with the webhook. So it will be a real-time sync up. So anytime any order will comes up into the Foodix, so it will automatically sync in the Odoo at the real time. So for that, sometimes I'm okay. In the previous video we have already synced and we have seen with the web version in Odoo. So here you can see this is the web version in Odoo. So now in this video I'm going to show you in the iPad. I have logged in with the iPad, and then how we can add a order in the iPad, and how it will going to sync in the Foodic side. So for that, let me go to the iPad screen. Yes, now you can see I have already logged in the iPad screen. And here, once we log in, it will show a few things, it will show a screen like that. And now I just added I have added one product, vada pav, and also we have added extra cheese and extra pav as well. And also one more product I have added. And just now we can just click on the make order, and we can select payment, and just done. So now we can move to the next screen, which is Odoo screen in the same iPad, and then we can just check the orders. So in sometimes it will take a few seconds to come the order in the screen. So now you can see in the few seconds the orders will pops up. So yes, so now you can see the 224 the order number get pops up. And let me open the order. Yes, so the order is got opened now, and you can see the all the products are synced correctly with proper quantities, proper price, and the total as well. And the order reference also get updated over here. So here we can see all the datas are coming correctly from the Foodix, and which is like real-time data it will comes here. So uh, it is here you can see in this order also, it is 80 plus 80 total, extra with along with the extra teas and extra paws, and the 40 for this product, and the total is 120. So in the Foodix, in the Odoo side also, you can see the same order is populated over here. So this is all for this video. We can see the next changes in the next video. Thank you all.